This is a 2004 Harley Davidson Roadster Sportster 1200cc. It's reasonably good condition, but it has got I think it's an electrical problem. There's nothing happening when you click the starter switch, so I've not been able to start it. Selling it as it is. When I turn the ignition on, the indicators come on. They shouldn't be. It's got 31,000 miles on the clock. There's nothing pressing that at all. So, see, I'll turn the ignition off, but the indicators stop on for a bit. Oh, they're turned off now. I think it's the switch playing up. Anyway, I've rocked it in gear. The brakes work on it. The clutch works. Nice little project.